Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about how we can navigate between browsers. So up to now, if you see, if I want to go, for example, from home page to countries to country, I go here and change it. So if I want to go to countries, I have to go here and edit it. And if I want to go to home page again, I just have to remove this and go back to home page. And if I want to go to some country details, I have again to come here and type it, which is really annoying, and that's not how the users really actually navigate through your application or website. So we'll learn how we can create here some buttons or links for them in Next.js, so to allow them to click through and navigate between it. So we'll start from a basic structure, and then when we start building our application in future, in next chapters, we will actually make them work dynamically as well. So let's start by an example. I want, for example, in the home page, I want a button here which I click and take me to the countries list, which will list me later using an API list of countries. So if you remember, the home page will be the index directly under pages. So I will go there and I'll just edit this and I will create a div wrapper. Because you know we can't have like React, it's React component at the end. We can't have directly many elements here as siblings. We need one, and then you can create child ones. Later you can, if you want, like if you don't have any styles for this div, you can just import a fragment and use it as a wrapper. But for now, I'll just go with this one and clean it up later if I need to. Okay, so what I will do is I will add my h1 there, and I will add a component called link. So Next.js give us a component called link, and see it import for me. So it's link from next./link. So that one allow us to navigate between the pages in Next.js. So simple. So I'll just say get list of my countries or countries or okay. Oops. There we go. That's what I like about Next.js. You have runtime errors. So when you use a link, there is a mandatory attribute here, which is ref, okay, which is expected as a string or object. So basically, you need to tell the link where it's going to navigate to. So I'll do ref, I'll say equal, and I know it needs to go to /countries. There we go. And as you can see, the styling is not there. That's because in our global styling, we remove the default styling of the anchor. And usually the link is just an anchor in Next.js. But the only difference is if I click here, and you will see this one doesn't reload, which an anchor will do. So basically a link in Next.js, it's just an anchor, but it stops the fetching of a new pages, and it maintains our Redux store. So if you have a state or a Redux store, you will not lose that data as well. So, and that's what actually we use in React too, right? But here, this combination of Next.js and React, all these things are given to us using Next. We don't need to add some other library or something to do so. And also, it loaded needed pages as components and change the URL for you as well. So when I click it before I come back here, it just load your page or components basically without refreshing your browser, and also it changes your URL for you. So before in React we use a router to do so, but here we just use next/link. Okay. So later what we'll do is we'll load here a list of the countries if you remember our design. And when we click on each country, again, you will have a link to take us dynamically to a page. So just stay tuned with us and we'll get into that at some stage in this course.